I'm going to be showing you the 4 steps to create your very own community. And at the end, I'm going to show you how we did this with our community. Number 1, who will you help? Number 2, what does success look like for you? Number 3, your goal. And number 4, how you can get started. Let's start with number 1, who will you help? This is really important because if you're trying to think about a community that you're going to build, you need to think about, first and foremost, who your target audience is. How are you going to help them? This is important because if you make it all about yourself, you're missing the big picture. You're missing what the community is meant for. If you build up ones, if they feel supported, you will thrive with your community. So what kind of community are you trying to build? Who are you helping? This can be from a niche for a specific interest, such as a video game interest, or it could be a hobby, or it could be something health related. It can be a support group with dealing with weight loss and how can you do this? Or maybe it could be ones that have type 1 diabetes and looking for a support group. In the comment section down below, who are you trying to help? What community are you trying to build? Number 2, what does success look like? This is really important because you have to have the roadmap of success and that finish line of what it means for you. Where do you want to end up? There are so many businesses that are making tens of thousands of dollars, millions or more per year for their community, but maybe that's something different than what you're trying to be after. Or maybe it's not just a number of how much revenue, maybe it's impact for the community or social impact that you're looking for. Whatever it is, write it down. Make sure you understand what success looks like for you. In the comment section down below, let us know how many members are you trying to help? What kind of people are you trying to help? That's really important to have a goal and to have motivation to get started with this. Number 3, we just talked about what does success look like. We've got to look at your goal. Perhaps you have a goal with how many people you want in your community, or maybe you want to make this a job or a career or something bigger than yourself. You need to know what it means to you as well. Now, you're not going to be first up. The community is always going to be first when you're creating a membership or a community, but you have to know what kind of lifestyle you want to create or have when you're creating this. If this is going to be a side hustle and your members are going to be leading the charge, are you going to be the voice or going to be in charge of the community, or people are going to associate with you with the community? That's really important because depending on what you're looking for, some people want to be more in the shadows or some people want to be in the limelight. They want to be the main person on stage. It's important that you understand what you want for your community as you're building this, as you get started. Number 4, getting started. Now that you have all of this knowledge and understanding of how you can get started and be successful, it's important to start executing and implementing what you've learned. Now that could be pretty scary, so it's important to note what will be your first step. You have to first see, do you have an audience yet? If you don't have an audience, you have to first join a community to understand people and what they're looking for to make sure that you can build a community that they want. So join a Reddit group, join a Facebook group, ask questions in Quora or read the comments, and then be able to start thinking about how you can have your own community or provide value. Now, you don't have to have a full site already done or full membership. You can simply have a sign-up page for people if they're interested to give their email or their phone number for when the time comes when you launch your community. They'll be notified first. So you can have a landing page. You can use something like SendFox or Podia or Uscreen. Pick something that's easy for you so you can gather emails very quickly. For me personally, I use something like Paperform or SendFox for me to create a one-pager, really simple to get interest. And then if I get interest, then I can email them later and let them know what I'm trying to do so I can express myself, or jump on a Zoom call so I can see, gauge interest if there's any interest there with people that signed up. From that point, then I launch the membership. Now there's tons of videos step-by-step how we do this, but simply put, you have to test if people are willing to pay. The reason behind it is you have to see if this is something that is really good for them and something that is a painkiller rather than a vitamin. That's a saying that you hear a lot of times when you're going for email marketing or creating communities. What that simply means is You want to make sure that you're solving an instant problem, something that they're having trouble with, a painkiller, and that way you can solve their problem versus something that is good for them that they can't really see a lot of benefits right away. A painkiller, if someone has a headache really bad, if they have a painkiller, then they're going to instantly know or feel better instantly or have that relief, versus a vitamin that might take weeks or months where they're feeling incrementally better, but they're not seeing instant results. So your community should be a painkiller. So that's how you're going to get started. You're going to ask questions, be helpful, get interest, and then from there be able to get ready to launch your own community or membership. If you like these kind of videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. We do this every single week. And if you have questions about building your own community, building out your own platform or membership or community, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video.